house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
Okay, I'm staying on the topic of soap, and I'm moving to the dishwasher.
Yes.
I've literally almost gotten in arguments with the homeowners about what soap to use and not to use in a dishwasher. I have been told for years, do not put liquid soap in your dishwasher. Do you defend me?
I do. I am on your side, Rosie.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Liquid soap is basically just bleach with some polymers holding it together. I mean, it's not something that's going to clean your dishes really good because there is no enzymes in liquid detergent because bleach kills enzymes. So any protein, you're going to get scaling, you're going to get all kinds of things happening with liquid detergent. You don't want to use it. The pods are okay because they're separated by the enzymes are separate from the bleach and everything like that. And they're okay because they break down at different levels.
So pods are okay, the
Yes.
powder's okay?
Yes.
How about the lemon shine?
Lemon shine is fine.
Okay. All right. But those kind of tips and tricks do make a difference, not only in what's going to come out of the dishwasher, but in how often I may have to call you.
Yes, I mean, if you use a really inferior, especially on the dishwashers, I've seen them where it looks like Alaska in there in the wintertime, just completely because of soaps that were, not quality soaps for a while. And I'm not pushing Bosch or any kind of dishwashing detergent, but Bosch, when they first removed the phosphates in America, Bosch would not guarantee or cover their warranty if you didn't use finished dishwashing detergent in their machines. It's that important. It's that important. I mean, dishwashing detergent is, I would say 50% of our service calls are because they're not cleaning, and it's because of the detergent that they're using.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona